Hello friends, how are you doing? I don't know whether you have ever seen while we are doing the plowing how we do it here in Africa. I just want to show you how we do it. This is my garden. So I'm going to show you how we do it. Yeah, thank you very much. All right, yes, okay. Now, did you know that animals can plow? Did you know that? Or you used of the tractor in Africa? Okay, in my place, because I'll not speak for Africa. Yes, I'll speak for Africa, but mostly I'll do best in my town. Okay, my village. Yes, in my village we use animals to plow. As you're going to see, I'm going to hold the ox plow. This is how it goes. Yes, okay. Now what do you do? While doing this, you first need to train these animals. These animals can't do this work before training. You need to go and train them. So as you're seeing, those are 4 animals, right? So the in front 2 have been already trained. Then the behind 2 are followers. Why? Because these behind 2 have never done the training before, so they are undergoing a training. Okay, so while doing this, these animals gain that knowledge and be like, yeah, we have to learn how to do it, how to plow the gardens. Yeah, so these animals, when they get trained, when they get used, because whenever they are not used, you can't even hold them, you can't even do anything. But when you train them, they become simple and easy to handle. Okay, simple and easy to handle. Now these animals, for example, the 2 behind, for them they have never done the plowing, but the in front 2 have ever. So they will keep, these other 2 will keep following the others, and the movement, the plowing will get on. Okay, yeah, that's how it goes. So you can even use 2 so long as they are well trained. Okay, if they are well trained, then you can use 2. Actually here the ox plow had defeated me. I was out of control. It was I was out of control and it was failing me. Yep. Yeah, actually I'm most likely not to use any other sounds in my videos because one of my videos was copyrighted, so just bear with it. I'll not add any music. I'm most likely not to add any music in my next videos, so it's just going to be plain videos with my voices. So you can see how the slicing is. Okay, it is slicing. So the wheel, that wheel in front, I don't know whether you can see that white, that small tiny white part, that which has just knocked those plants, those sticks, it helps in determination of the depth. So the more you press it down, the more it goes down. Okay, yeah, the more you press the mold board down, these handles that I'm handling, the more you push them down, the more it goes deeper, the depth increases. Okay, when you hold it upwards, then of course it do the opposite. So while doing this, there is a lot. You see this guy, like for example that young man there who is moving with them. Actually he's not beating them. Yeah, he must be beating them, but he's not beating them. He's just wiping them a little bit. He just makes sure that they move. Okay, yeah, they move. He does not beat them more, like maybe as somebody can think that he was really beating them. No. So we are doing the plowing. So that mold board needs cleaning. As you see, he has first heat it, little bit to remove the soil that has attached, because it is a sharp point and it needs to be very effective while doing its work. You can see the more I'm pressing it down, the more it's going deeper, and that's the better quality of the soil. Whenever you plow deeper, more deeper, yeah, the plants get more soil air, what we call soil air, and it's very okay. Soil air is good for the soil living organisms. So here, after that, you need to untie those animals and leave them to go and graze. You need to untie them and leave them to go and graze. Unfortunately, that black one has been injured. I'm sorry. It never happens, but it's my first time to see it happen. Yeah. So after that, those help in the holding of the animals, like the necks of the animals. Okay.
Yeah. We are back. We are back again, back to Gabriel from Uganda. Thank you very much. For those who are ever watching my videos, thank you very much for supporting me and those sharing them. Please, if you've watched the video, please just help me and share it, so that there are many people who don't know this information that we do share here on YouTube. There are very many. So it needs that you share them. If you share it, many people get inspired to visit Africa to see a lot of things here. Yeah. Anyway, as I was telling you people about this ploughing issue, yeah. You know, ploughing here cannot be done. Okay, it can, but you know, there are a lot of organizations that help people to plough, but something very difficult to get. So here, one, to start the ploughing, you must have the oxygen, as you saw them right there. You must have the oxygen. Then you must have the ox plough. That's what you saw me handling. That I was handling, pushing with it. You press it down, then you push. Okay. Now, when you do that, the other ones keep pulling the oxygen. The oxygen keep pulling is for you. You're pressing down so that it can dig out the soil. Okay. So it's very difficult for many people to buy the tractors. Okay. The tractors, because a tractor, let me see. Tractor would cost you here something like 30,000 euros or 30,000 euros or $31,000. Yeah. Over 80 million Ugandan currency that would cost you for the tractor, to get a tractor. So, okay. So if you have oxygen, it's better. So for me, I hired the oxygen to help me do my digging. Next, I'll be doing the planting soon. I'll share to you the updates on how I did the planting. Yeah, it's really heavy work. Very heavy work and hard work. Yeah, maybe when you come, because not every time is a planting season right now, because it's raining. It's a rainy season right now. As you saw the clouds up there when it was plowing, the clouds up there were really up. Later in the day, those would turn into the nimbus. The nimbus would come out, then the rain would come. So keep watching, keep seeing what I'm doing, keep watching with me, keep moving with me. Yeah, I have a lot of videos that I'll be making that, you know, many people don't share this on TV. They don't share it on social media platforms, but I'm here. I'll share everything that I think is supposed to be shared, that is unique, that most people must have not seen. Okay. Yeah, keep watching my videos, keep going down there. A lot of videos down there. There are a lot of videos down there. Keep sharing, subscribe to my channel. Let's move, let's roll it. Let's move everything. Let's make the world full of information, not mean of information. Much love.